keep wanting to get in my face, in my eyes. But, let me show you. Table almost fell over too. Hold the table down. Hi, kitty, kitty. I have an audience. A four-legged audience. This is gonna be my legs. Gonna put them together, and they're gonna be my legs. I'm gonna have 6. There's 1 down and 5 to go. Okay, it's assembly time. For the kitty cat. I'm going to wrap this all the way around and see how well it does. If I have to make any adjustments. Scratch pad for them. I have carpet too that I'm going to put on. Table legs, make it something for the cat too. This is rope. I got carpet coming too for the other legs so they can rub up against it, scratch it. Cece loves scratching rope things. I'm nailing at intervals. Well, it's not perfect, but she won't mind. She'll like it. All my kitty cats like it. They're watching me right now through the window. Meow. this is all the rope I've got. So I can finish up the rest with carpet. And I've got some other ideas for the sides of the table. With 2x4s and paint. Well, I have to go to the store and get more 2x4. Well, you know how projects are. Sometimes they take a little while. This is just one leg. 5 more. I've got arthritis pretty bad on this hand. This finger don't work, the middle one. Don't work too good. But I keep going anyway. So. I have no choice but to keep going, right? Till I can't no more. Alright, so. That was just one roll. Eventually I could get more rolls, but now I know pretty much how much one roll will cover. If I go and get another roll today, maybe I could do the rest of this or put carpet. I think I might like to get another roll because I have to get another 2x4 anyway, so oh man. But all these are going to be nailed together too. So that's a start. We're getting there.